There are some strikingly unusual laws in Jamaica. For example, it is illegal to purchase rope after 6 p.m. Do you think that is strange? Then check out this list of 13 strange laws in Jamaica and their explanation. Number 1. It is illegal to wear camouflage clothing. I have heard this ever since I was a child, but to see actual proof of this is quite funny, seeing that many, myself included, own many camouflage items. It might seem strange at first, but the law is actually for a good reason. Camouflage is the official uniform of the Jamaica Defense Force, and so to avoid confusing a civilian for a member of law enforcement, the wearing of camouflage is prohibited. Other Caribbean islands have also banned the wearing of camouflage clothing. Number 2. It is illegal to sell rope after 6 p.m. I am not entirely sure why this is the case, but it is in fact illegal to sell rope after 6 p.m. So be sure to make all rope purchases by 5:59 p.m. Number 3. It is illegal to smoke marijuana in Jamaica. This isn't weird because Jamaica is not the only country that prohibits the use of the drug. It is weird because Jamaica is often associated with the use of marijuana, and so many would think that we can smoke it openly and freely. It is not the case in fact. It was only recently that the drug was decriminalized. However, this only means you will not get a criminal charge for a small amount. If you are caught with more than the permitted amount, it will be confiscated and you will be fined. Number 4. It is illegal to be buried after 6 p.m. Burials must be done by 6 p.m. or it will have to be moved to another day. Number 5. It is illegal to get married after 6 p.m. I am not sure what the significance of 6 p.m. is, but there isn't a lot that can be done after 6 p.m. This doesn't mean your reception has to be completed before 6. The wedding ceremony and the signing of the marriage certificate must be completed before this time though. Number 6. Move and keep on moving. If a police officer tells you to move and keep on moving, it means you should walk away from the area and carry on about your business. Don't be seen loitering. If you're seen in the area, you will be arrested. Number 7. It is illegal to be found drunk and laying on the ground. According to Section 8 of the Act, persons who are found drunk and laying on the street, building or any other public domain has committed an offense and can be fined $4 Jamaican or spend 10 days in jail for the offense of being found drunk in the street. Number 8. It is illegal to disturb someone by ringing a doorbell. I might be oversimplifying here, but anyone who willfully disturbs the inhabitants of a building by ringing the doorbell, knocking on the door without a lawful excuse, extinguishes the light of any lamp, or unlawfully enters the premises to the annoyance of the inhabitants has committed an offense. Number 9. It is illegal to shake or beat a rug, mat or carpet before 8 a.m. unless it is a doormat. Enough said. Number 10. It is illegal to operate businesses on Sundays, Christmas Day, and Boxing Day. You know, I always wondered why shops would be closed all day on Sundays or just have a single window open. Now I know why. According to Section 16 of the Act, all businesses should be closed on these days or the owner may be convicted. Pharmacies are however permitted to be open between 8 a.m. and 12 midnight on Sundays for the sale of any article, and the same time on Christmas Day and Good Friday for the sale of any drug. The shops operating within the 2 major airports are also permitted to open, along with houses designated to accommodate travelers and the sale of motor fuel or gas. Other exceptions to this law are businesses selling bread or ice, public markets, and establishments that print newspapers. However, if the newspaper printery will be open, it must be before 10 a.m. and after 5 p.m. on these days. Breaking this law could mean a fine of $20 Jamaican or imprisonment for 30 days. Number 11. It is illegal to sign official documents on weekends. Many Jamaicans have a story of going to see a justice of the peace for him or her to sign a document and getting told to come during the week, not on a weekend. Once again, it must be done before 6 p.m. Number 12. It is illegal to empty any privy between the hours of 4 a.m. and 10 p.m. Privy meaning bedpan, chimney, chamber, piss pot, whatever you call it. Before the days of indoor toilets, bedpans would be emptied outdoors. So this law spoke to the times that you were allowed to empty bedpans. Number 13. It is illegal to have a pigsty to the front of a major road. As someone who has had the inauspicious privilege of smelling a pigsty, I think we should be grateful for this law. It is illegal to have a pigsty to the front of a thoroughfare within a town without it being properly shut out from the public by a wall or fence. This is to keep the pigs from getting loose and disrupting the area, as well as how unsightly and smelly a pigsty can get at times. What I have realized is that many of these laws were adopted from British law since we were once a colony. As weird and outdated as a few of these are, they all served a purpose for the time they were written in. Don't worry though, times have changed, so you won't be reprimanded for purchasing rope after 6 p.m, opening your store on a Sunday, or emptying your piss pot at midday, as we all do. Are there any other weird Jamaican laws you are aware of? Let me know in the comment section down below. And thanks for watching.
Jamaica. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.